Hi, welcome back to Dr. VASU'S lectures. And in continuation of our C language, we are going to see a very important topic now, that is installation of C language, that is C compiler. So far, we have seen the introduction and the different languages and advantages, disadvantages, C features, and all. We know about C so far. Now we have to run a program. So to run a program, we need to install the compiler. Let us see. If already it's installed in your system, it's fine. Otherwise, let me show how to install the C compiler in your system. So I have taken the browser, Google Chrome, and I'll search for the Turbo C free download. So here I check for the free download of Turbo C. I got the first one itself, the download Turbo C++ for Windows. So I'll select this one. It opens a page where you get download Turbo C++ for Windows 7 or 8, 8.1, 10 or 11. Even it may be 32-bit or 64-bit, it's okay. So for most of the Windows versions, this works. So I'll select this how to install Turbo C++. Here we have 3.2. So download Turbo C++. I click on this one. So it slowly starts downloading. Let us see. So here it is downloading, and let me open this. So Turbo C 3.2 has opened. Is downloaded here, and it has another folder inside. And so here, okay, we have a number of files, and here we have Turbo C++ 3.2 version. We can click on this one, or even we have a setup application, that is to install this software. We can just select this application setup. So I click on this setup, double click on it. It opens a window here. Install shield is opened and is ready to install Turbo C++ in my system. So here it's asking for welcome to this, and it's asking, so say next. And here my Microsoft public license, I accept, right? I accept the terms and conditions. Next. So it is now ready to install. So we are ready to install Turbo C++. So I say install. So it starts. So it's my system here. It is asking for permission. So do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Yes, because it's from a known developer. We need not worry about anything. We can straight away go on installing. So here we can even directly launch the program here. If you tick this one, and let me say check finish. So it directly opens. So it directly opens here a window, and it's opened in the browser. But here one application has opened here, Turbo C++, a window here. Start Turbo C++. I click on this one. So it opens a window again. So here, this is the environment for us to write the programs. Initially, it has opened a number of programs, some windows here, and you can just ignore them, right? And or you can just go and go to the file and say click new. So this is a window has opened here, no name 00.cpp. So okay, earlier I might have written this program here. Let me check and delete all this one. Now we want to write a simple program initially here. That is hash include. We have seen already the link section. We have to include some files. Include stdio.h header file and close this. Next, void main brackets open and close, and now curly brackets. Whatever you want to write here, you have to write within these two curly brackets. So here I have written curly brackets. You can write it later even, but for our understanding, just initially I have written this curly bracket. So now I write one simple statement, a very simple statement, printf, and open the brackets, right? We can have a small gap or even need not have the gap. It's up to us. So open quotes, double quotes. Hi, this is my first C program. So that's it. So this I want to write, and double quotes are closed. Close the bracket, and is semicolon is pressed here. A semicolon is required. Now that's it. Now the program is ready for execution. We can save this file. Save this file. To save this file, you can directly go to F2 and save as, or even we can just run this file here. Run. Or even suppose before running, that means execution, I want to compile this file. That means I want to create the object file or machine code. Let me compile this. So this is compile. You can directly go and compile, press compile here, or Alt F9 can do the same job. I'll press Alt F9. Okay. So Alt F9, by pressing even Alt F9 or coming to compile and selecting compile, the program is success. That means the program what I have written doesn't have any problem, right? So this is right. You can just click outside the window. It is closed. Now I want to run the program. Okay, run. To run this program, we can control F9, you can press Control plus F9, or you can come to this point, this menu, and select Run. So our file has run, and here actually you have to get the output. This point, this should be printed. I'm not getting any output here. So to see this, go to the window, and here output. Here output is there. Click. So here the output is shown. Hi, this is my first C program. The output window is shown here. You can keep this output window, or whenever you want to open, you can just go and open it, and you can just keep it outside like this, right? So this is the output window where you are able to see the output. This is the program I have written. Here I want to show on the monitor, I want to show this matter, whatever is written between the quotes. So everything has come here. Hi, this is my first C program. That's it. So this is the way of installing the C in your system and start doing your writing your programs. You can suppose I want to save this program, go to the required path, select the path, and suppose here it is by default it has C turbo C3 bin, and here you change the name of the file, and by changing the name of the file you can. So here I'm first. This is the first program I want to say select. So if you just say click, your program is saved as first.cpp. So we have written, we have installed the C compiler in our system, and we are able to write a simple program and able to run this. So like this, now you can you can write any programs here. From now onwards, we are going to see the actual writing of the programs. Okay, good. Let's meet in the next module. Thank you.